detailed moving project. It will have been a microsecond for you guys, but it's been about 2 weeks. Weather has not been hospitable. I have went to Iowa with Charles, saw some awesome museums. Link to those videos up above now. We're going to go ahead, cold start this old girl, and we're going to get started moving dirt. Contact. While we let that warm up, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the project. As you guys can see, we had us a nice hard frost this morning, but it has since then turned quite greasy. It's not going to be fun operating in this. Hate to get the new machine that dirty, excuse me, but it's got to be done before the real winter weather sets in. You can see we have frozen puddles in the shadow of the building, but there's nothing to it but to do it. We're going to bring you guys along. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. Let's go push some dirt. Definitely going to be a greasy, nasty day. We'll get you guys set up on the bucket, see if we can get a couple more action shots, and then I've got to time lapse this so I can get something done. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't think it's going to come out on camera how many tons we moved, but that pile is 14 to 16 feet tall at the peak, and it is ramped from front to back. And I would say overall it's got to be 40 to 60 feet long, about 20 feet wide, give or take. The New Holland C327 came through perfectly. I know there is more we could do. We have dips here, we have low spots, high spots, but at what point do you quit? We are out here in the muckiest part of the year. It's like gumbo. You can see our tracks are heavily laden with mud, sludge, grime, grit, whatever you want to say. That was a lot of dirt to move. There was really no way to do it but to get to it and get it done. Had to be done this way. I would have loved to have had drier weather like when we started, but weather doesn't always cooperate. Anybody in the trades will tell you that. So, with all of that being said, if you enjoyed the video, made it this far, please leave a like, share the video, subscribe for more. I'd like to thank everybody for watching as we broke in the old New Holland C327. We'll see you guys next time.